Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. My room
私の部屋
and 2. Review phonics from A to N.
フォニックスの復習 A から N まで
Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Did you remember the actions we did last lesson?
この前のレッスンでやった動きを覚えているかな？
Let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. Bow down. Shake out. Chew through. Blow out. Get behind. Get in front. Sit down. Okay, good job. Now, let's do it again. Are you ready? Stand up. Bow down. Shake out. Chew through. Blow out. Get behind. Get in front. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. Okay, this week we're going to review the letters from A to N.
今週はフォニックスの A から N までを復習します。
First, we will say the sounds together from A to G.
まずはじめにアルファベットの名前 A から G までを一緒に言おう。
Are you ready? 1, 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very good. Okay, now let's say the sounds from A to G.
今度は A から G までの音、えから G までを一緒に言おう。
Are you ready? 1, 2. A, B, K, D, E, F, G. Good job. Okay, now let's say the letters from H to N.
それでは次にアルファベットの名前 H から N までを一緒に言おう。
Are you ready? 1, 2. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Good job. Now, let's say the sounds from H to N.
今度は H から N までの音、からまでを一緒に言おう。
Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2. H, J, K, O, Good job. Could you say them all?
全部言えたかな？
It's time to sing. Did you listen to the song Teddy Bear? Let's sing together slowly at the same time with me. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, show your foot. Teddy bear, that will do. Very good. Please practice this song at home. Goodbye.
この歌、お家で練習してきてね。
It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time. It's a chair. It's a table. It's a shelf. It's a light. It's a bed. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint. Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is. Are you ready? What is it? It's a bed. What is it? It's a table. What is it? It's a light. What is it? It's a shelf. What is it? It's a chair. Could you say them all? Well done. Hi! It's chants time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let's do it together slowly. Are you ready? Where's the chair? It's behind the table. Where's the table? It's in front of the chair. Where's the light? It's above the DVD player. Where's the floor? It's down there. Where's the ceiling? It's up there. Good job. Hi, it's book time. Let me read it to you again. The title is My Room, written by Gary and Akiko.
本のタイトルは、私の部屋。ギャリー先生とアキコ先生が書いたお話です。
This is my room.
ここは私の部屋。
It's nice.
いいね。
It has a bed.
この部屋にはベッドがあるの。
Where are the books?
本はどこにあるの？
They are in the bookshelf and on the desk.
本は本棚の中と机の上にあるよ。
Do you have a teddy bear?
テディベアを持ってる？
It's behind me.
私の後ろにあるよ。
There it is.
ほら、あるよ。
Your room is very cute.
君の部屋はとってもかわいいね。
The end. How was that? Goodbye. Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Dingo.
Now let's play the sound guessing game.
ねえ、音を当てる遊びをしようよ。
Somebody says nose. Guess who?
誰かな？当ててね。Rose!
Nose.
Pose.
Who said nose?
誰が言ったのかな？
I did. I said nose. Oh, Max said nose.
マックスが言ったんだね。
Did you get it?
君はわかったかな？
By the way, what did you say, Linda?
ところで、リンダはなんて言ったの？
I said pose. Pose.
I see.
なるほど。
How about you, Carla? Carla?
カラはどう？カラ？
I said rose. Rose.
I see.
なるほど。
Bye, everybody! See you next time! Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. My room, and 2. Phonics review from A to N. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.